from the posterior aspect.
No,
But
pen is made up of two Greek words, P on.
pen, pen, P-E-N,
Pen.
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 These are the three morphologically similar looking pen. They are looking similar from the posterior side, but on anterior view there is a loss of capping. There is a loss of capping in one organ. Actually, the pen is anterior inside hollow. No, sorry. Actually, the pen is hollow inside, and in this hollow structure there is a refill,
Which is vertically cylindrical.
which
at
is
the
vertically
pointed end.
cylindrical, and at its anterior end there is a needle shaped pinpoint structure which help to which help us to write it on the paper or anything else. Sometimes it also help us to make itching when make खुजली sometimes
कान खुजाने में
कान खुजाने के लिए
Pen is
Can't be.
radially symmetrical in longitudinal axis, and in vertical axis it is bilaterally. It is not symmetrical. ऐसे ground और अंतर दीदी बोलो.
if it is cut in its coronal section, if we take its coronal section, ठीक है, there is a inside view of the pen,
Shallow groove with refill.
ठीक है, on
Filled with a viscous fluid.
on
which is blue in color.
posteriorly there is a screw shaped
Which can
structure
be rotated
which can be
anti-clockwise.
rotated anti-clockwise,
तो
and
खुल
it
जाता
will
है।
open. On opening we get a refill. Yes, we
is a
get a
plastic
refill.
tube
It
like
is a
that.
plastic tube,
like
and it is a hollow structure, but I would like to say it is filled by blue
Viscous
color viscous
fluid.
gel-like fluid,
Which comes out
which at
slowly.
which is closed
drains,
at,
which drains slowly.
which drains
at-
slowly at this pinpoint shaped needle. ठीक है? And sometimes it comes in very different color. Sometimes it is blue, sometimes it is black. Most commonly used color is blue that we are using. Now I am inserting this refill back into this hollow cylindrical structure which we actually call pen. I am putting this inside. You can see this structure. This is
कोई function बता
completely
इसका?
Now,
hollow.
pen can also be of various types. Chinese, use and throw,
Now.
ink pen, ball pen,
Now, as we discuss complete structure about this pen,
or stick
I am
pen.
going to
gel
detail
pen.
about this cap. This cap,
ढक्कन
yes, this cap is not
Cylindrical
completely cylindrical. It's slightly conical at its tip, and there is a another
clip-like portion.
clip-like portion
Which helps
on the
in
top,
hanging
which
the pen.
helps it on clipping on the shirt or any
Of the
other
user.
place. ठीक है?
It is hollow
Okay.
from inside.
It is hollow from inside, and it is made like just like that. The anterior part of the
The
pen
pen
can
fits
fit
it.
suitably, and it fit when it fits in. It make a little noise like
Noise.
this. Okay.
Okay.
Now I have completed the short course on this pen.
Now,
I would
it
like
has also got a capping at the
posterior pole.
posterior pole. This can be opened by rotating it
Anti-clockwise.
after
can
3
be-
or 4 turns. Now it has got some 3-4 grooves that helps it into attachment with the main body of the pen. These grooves, if we go in detail, beyond the grooves there are 4-5 horizontal fissures into which the plastic needle filled with the
बंद कर रहा हूँ
viscous
मैं।
fluid is fitted.
Another class of pen.
This is then fitted and then again inserted back into the pen. Okay, and rotated clockwise, counter to the anti-clockwise. For writing a pen, we have to first open the cap, hold it, between the index finger and the thumb resting on the middle
Middle
finger.
finger.
Then for writing you need a page, pen and a paper, blank side.
पेज का भी मॉर्फोलॉजी बताओ, क्लासिफिकेशन.
Then
अब
we
second
have
part
to
बनाओ, second
rotate
part.
the wrist and then
इसको खत्म करो.
write.
Second part
Now
बनाएंगे.
we end this क्या बोलते हैं, complete description of a pen. It has got various implications. It has got various uses. We should complete it in short. It is used to write. It is used to draw. It is used for itching. It is also used for
पोकिंग अदर्स.
poking, and
At
girls
last,
may find it a lot of other uses.
and at last,
Censored.
I would like to thank the maker of the pen, Linguistair, and also our mentor and script writers, Mr. Mitesh Anand and Mr. Sangam Singh.
कैमरामैन
And
रवि.
special thanks to our cameraman, Mr. Ravi Ranjan. Thank you.
आज के मुख्य समाज यही समाप्त हुए.
देखिए कहता है